I have kind of packaged this in 7 habits or 7 practices, good practices that we've been in our experience using and that have proved useful to us. And so I hope it will be useful to you if you think about curation projects. So the first I call the think ahead. This is actually in particular if you want to do a larger project where there's more than one curator involved. Often when you start out, you do not really know exactly what information is available in your documents, and therefore it makes sense to first start with some prototyping of what you want to do. And an important element in this is if you do manual curation, you need to think about your most valuable resource is the time of your curators. So, and one of the largest time sinks, if you do manual curation, is not the actual extraction of the information and recording it. Often you can have tools to accelerate that. But the one step that is very hard to compress or to shrink the time cost of is the actual understanding of the content, the reading of the paper. And therefore it makes sense to really think broadly about what is all the information I could and would want to extract from these documents and which I would like to collect. You don't want to go back after you created the papers and say, man, I wish I also had captured cell type. Let's go back to all these papers and do it once more again and also get the cell type, not just the gene and disease. So think about this upfront and plan ahead.
Curation.
Sample to insight.